Imagine this. You create a small online course, maybe for $37. Nothing huge, nothing to take months to build. Only 3 to 4 hours of content right out of your expertise. And then something surprising happens. This tiny course doesn't just bring in money. It attracts bigger clients who want your premium services. Yes, small courses can create a big impact. Hi, my name is Jyotima and I've sold more than 10,000 courses under 50 euro, generating over 217 euro plus extra revenue from group programs in my funnel. And I did this while roller skating with my daughter, thanks to my evergreen mini course funnel. Today I break down why mini courses work so well, how they attract clients, and how you can start building your own in just a few hours. Part 1. The common mistake. Let me be honest, many coaches and therapists think if I go online I need a big, expensive program right from the start. Here's what happens. You get stuck in tech, spend months creating, still thinking about your right positioning and your content, and by the time it's ready, you still haven't sold anything and you're burnt out already. The truth? Start small. A mini course gets you out there fast and works as a gateway to your bigger offers. You see why in a second. Part 2. Real life stories. Here are some real examples I love. A stress manager and coach. She created a mini course for only $29 and then 3 of them booked her one-on-one coaching. Another client of mine, a therapist, she made a mini course with audio exercises. Clients loved the low price and it built trust immediately. Later, some of them booked her $2,000 coaching program. My own experiences. I started with mini courses too. They were my breakthrough during the pandemic because small products act like magnets. They attract the right people who then want more from you. See the pattern? Mini courses are small invitations that bring people into your world. Grab my book, The Mini Course Method. I show you step by step how to create mini courses that bring in big clients. You can find the link below under this video. Part 3. Why mini courses work. Mini courses work so well because they're quick to create, often in a few hours or few days. Not months or years. They are a low barrier to entry. People say yes easily. It's a no-brainer. People get immediate results. Participants experience a momentum right when they're starting your mini courses. A small course, the easier you will get a feedback from your participants. A mini course builds trust. They see your expertise, your knowledge, and they want more. Think of a mini course like a business card that actually sells. Mini courses open the door for bigger clients and premium opportunities. Part 4. How to use mini courses in a strategic way. Here's how I use mini courses to grow my business in a smart, step-by-step way. Don't forget the upsell right after the course. You can add another mini course or even a bigger online course or one-on-one coaching. Start a nurturing email sequence. Send helpful tips over in 1 or 2 weeks to warm up your audience and sell even bigger courses. Or you can even do a quick webinar. Invite people to go deeper and see more value. Then pitch another offer. Your coaching offer doesn't have to be perfect in the end. You can just start as a one-on-one offer easily. And mini courses are perfect for coaches and therapists who want to start first, who want to start fast without getting stuck in tech or perfectionism. If you are a coach or therapist and you ever thought go big or go home, try something different. Start small, deliver huge value and attract the right clients. And now go watch my next video, Sell Digital Products Without Social Media. I show you another cool strategy to grow your online business step by step.